Okay, so on our last video, we defined what slope was. And remember, slope is rise over run, or we could use our formula. So it's just according to what you're given as to which one you're going to want to use. So if you're given the graph and it just simply asks you, what kind of a slope do you have? Again, think about the car. In this case, we've got us a Penguin. It looks like sliding down the hill. Well, it's going down, therefore we would have a negative slope, right? Downward also meaning that, but it is a negative slope that we are looking at. So again, when we define slope, it is positive, negative, zero, or undefined. If you are given 2 points and you want to find the slope, and this is where we would do our rise over our run. And so typically we come in and we draw us a right angle, okay, right angle. And remember, when you are going up, it is positive. If you're going down, we call that negative. If you're going right, that is positive, and left is considered negative. So when I look at this graph, start at either point you want. So let's say I'm going to start up here at the top, okay? I'm starting at this point. Then I would say I am going right 2, that'd be a +2, and down 2, okay? And so when I do my rise over my run, it would be a -2 over a +2, rise over run. Now that's one way to do it. Some of you might like to actually rise first. And so if I'm rising, let me get this off of here. So it's all just according to which way you go. I could say I'm rising 2 and I'm running a -2. Either way you do that, okay, in that case I said I was rising 2 and running 2. Either way, your slope is going to be the same. And you should know that before you ever get started, is that you should have a negative slope. So if I was coming to a multiple choice question like that and I looked at that graph, immediately what I would do would be eliminate these 2 answers, because I know this graph is negative. And then it's just a matter of, is it a -1 or a -2?